All right, today's video is going to be taking these two pieces that I found on Facebook Marketplace for $25 a piece, and we are going to clean them up, paint them black, and turn them into some nightstands. Probably change all the hardware too. All right, now we're priming the side table. Here's the spray paint that we're gonna use. I wanted a satin finish, and then we're just gonna go with black. So this one I made sure to clean really good. I used a flathead screwdriver just to get all those corners, get all the old grime out of it. So the spray paint didn't leave us with a sheen that I'm loving. So he busted out the real one. We're gonna spray it with that. Okay, so he said the temptation's gonna be to keep going because you obviously can see little white areas through here, but you wanna do light coats, so he's gonna come in with a second coat. Because if you keep going, it's just gonna start dripping and pooling up in different areas. So we're gonna let this coat dry and we'll come back with another one. Here is the paint that we ended up going with to spray the tables with.